Hey guys, I just thought I would start this video off a different way. I'm actually almost done editing it, and my husband and I just got a notification that our area's quarantine is actually going until May 3rd. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know my feelings about it, but I just think I need to stress the importance of listening to the stay-at-home order that is going on. Do not leave your house unless you absolutely need to for essential things. Try to cut your grocery shopping down to once a week. You're gonna really have to plan out. If you can go 2 weeks, that's even better. Double up on your meals, place some things in the freezer, do whatever you need to do to stay home. I know we are all frustrated, but we are not going to get through this as a nation unless we actually listen to what they are saying to help stop the spread of this disease. I have stayed positive as long as I possibly could and gone as long as I could without really bringing it up on my channel, but you guys, it is so important to me, and I think more people with a platform like this should be speaking up about it and showing less of them going to beach trips or hanging out the house with their friends like some celebrities are doing and undermining how important this is. I just needed to say that to get that out of the way. I hope you guys are staying safe and positive, and yeah, let's just get on with today's vlog. Good morning guys, happy Monday. Today I have volunteered as tribute to go to the grocery store. I also have to do a Target pickup. I don't want to go inside 2 different stores, and I'm picking Sprouts today because I heard they're well stocked on things and I just want a little bit healthier options. So we need to grab things like fruit, and hopefully they have paper towels because we are completely out of paper towels, and just some other like fresh produce, healthier snacks and stuff. So that is what we're doing today. I try to get out of the house before the kids woke up, but no. So I'm gonna make my coffee first before I leave. Sprouts is already open, and again, I wanted to be there before they opened, but just doesn't work that way, which is fine. They shouldn't be that busy, fingers crossed. So let's go make coffee in my super new fancy coffee bar, thanks to my best friend that I have been loving. So yeah, I'm so excited for my coffee.
So far away, though you're close. There's a mind that I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside that heart of you. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you?
Seriously, so good. Like having your own little Starbucks barista in your kitchen. Like, absolutely love this.
You feel so far away, though you're close. There's a heart that I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside the heart of
Okay guys, I don't know about anybody else, but it never fails. As soon as I get to the store, my nose itches, and I spend all day, or not all day, but the entire time in the store wiggling my nose like a rabbit because I can't touch my face. I was not able to get paper towels at Sprouts, and Target is completely out because I tried ordering online yesterday, and I don't, again, want to go into 2 different stores. We have 1 roll left, so hopefully that'll get us through this week, and then maybe like next week. We're trying to limit our like shopping trips to once a week when we need everything, and we're just like writing everything down, so it's working for us right now. Okay, literally people are walking out with paper towels, and I'm like tempted to go in there and just grab some. Also, the same guy gives me my order every single time.
anyone get under your skin. You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin?
Okay, I have a little bit of a healthy grocery haul. So from Sprouts, I got these Jack's Paleo chocolate chip cookies. I don't know if anyone else is gonna like them, but I don't mind trying them. And then I got these little brownie bites for snacks. some dried apricots for Eric, some fresh fruit. So I did get strawberries and I got raspberries somewhere. They're 2 for $5. I think they're always 2 for $5. Sometimes they're 3 for $5 though. Bread, we got some ancient Greek bread. I'm trying to do healthier sodas because we don't usually drink sodas, but I've been craving sodas a lot more. So basically their version of Dr. Pepper and then like a black cherry soda. So this is the Zevia. It's 0 calorie, no sugar, no artificial sweeteners or anything like that. Eric likes orange cranberry scones, but they didn't have any, so I found some orange cranberry muffins. And then I just got a pizza for later today. I can get the same size at Winco for $5, but at Sprouts it was $9. But I'm not trying to go to like 5 different grocery stores right now. Okay, and then we got some couscous because I want to make the chicken with the mushroom soup, and it goes really good over that. I got some avocados. The Annie's, I got basically the graham crackers, but they're little graham bunnies, and their version of Cheez-Its for Aria. We have been loving these, and Aria actually eats them. So they're chocolate covered cherries and chocolate covered raisins. The only bad things are a little expensive, so they're $7.99 each. The raspberries. Then I found some oatmeal cookies. I thought this would be good for like a little snack for the baby as well. And some guacamole because I still have chips left and I have no dip to go with it. I hear my family. Look at what mommy found you. Little graham bunnies and cheese squares. And how can I forget? I was like a crazy person. I ran into Target to grab them because I saw everyone walking out with one and I actually need it. Like we literally, that's our last one left. So it was a need and I just ran inside. Luckily they had it right up front. I didn't have to go like deep into the store. So I literally just right up front, self-checkout, and I got some paper towels.
Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy?
Are you reading?
Would you let me get to know you? Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh,
It's been raining all weekend. Today was the first day that it's like sunny and stuff, and it's not even that cold. It's like 50 something degrees right now. Yeah, so I thought I would take my workout outside today. This morning it is 9:10. That'll give time for the eggs to boil. Eric's watching them, and then Arya gets some exercise time as well. Baby gets some sunlight. Everyone just gets some fresh air, and yeah, just get active.
Getting around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadowing me, I won.
Alright guys, I am 4 minutes shy of a 30-minute workout, but he started getting really fussy and I didn't want to push my body too much because I started like shaking, and there's no point of like trying to do a workout if like your form isn't there, because then your muscles don't build correctly. I just realized I haven't eaten yet, so Ezra's asleep. I'm trying to upload a video right now, and then I have a Facebook Live like meeting to go to, so I'm trying to just like hurry up and grab something to eat. I'm probably gonna do a smoothie because I'm about to pass out. I need real food. So I was about to have a protein bar with protein in my smoothie, and I just realized that's probably way too much protein, so I'm gonna have a cereal bar instead.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could
Okay, I had to like do some makeup so I could feel productive today. Eric has a conference call. I don't know if I already said this, a video conference call in like 20 minutes, I think. Yeah, it's at like 30 minutes now. So I'm gonna go downstairs and make lunch. He said he wanted to do eggs with us. My live event went a little bit longer, but I needed this. This has also changed the way we've been doing things with the kids during this time of quarantine. I don't know if you guys heard, but it's being extended again. It's gonna be a crazy month, and I know like some of us are trying to keep it all together, but you can't keep it all together. And especially like those of you who are working from home, or you're trying to balance everything no matter what you do, if you still have business meetings to attend to, or you know, you're a blogger or an entrepreneur or whatever your work entails, you have to make adjustments and just kind of roll with the punches and go with the flow. So we're trying not to be so strict. I know it's easier for me because I do have smaller children. So when it comes to like schooling and stuff, we're trying not to be so strict, but there's so many online opportunities for your kids. Like we have ABC Mouse for Aria. So she like thinks she's playing a game, but she's still learning, which she spelled her name yesterday like perfectly on her tablet, and she had all the letters in a row. Like I'll put a picture, you guys. I was so proud of her. She's still learning. I know it's a really unorthodox way, you know, we're trying to break it up during the day while like I have meetings, Eric has meetings, we have training and stuff like that. So the point of this is just don't try to conquer it all. We're not going to during this time. It's weird for everybody, and we're just trying to survive right now. And it's totally okay if your kid gets the tablet for an hour while you have your conference call or whatever it is. So just wanted to put that out there. Child, this is a hot commodity. You can't just be tearing it up. No, cannot be wasting paper here.
I know that I told you.
Okay, grab your green chair. Do you want a spoon, or are you just gonna use your hands? There you go.
I can't do it.
Here, I'll hold your tablet. Okay, go grab your chair. You can eat with mommy.
It's too far away.
It's not too far away. It's like 20 feet. Okay, good. That's how I feel every day. I've had the shirt on for less than 5 minutes, and I already spelled like soup all over it because Eric put his food in the microwave to warm it up, and I was thinking I put mine in there, and when I went to go grab what I thought was raviolis, it was actually soup, and it like splattered everywhere. So it's zuppa toscana. I always say it wrong. So I definitely need to take this off and put some shout on it, or that oil is gonna just like seep in, because this is more like a chiffon material, and it's the worst with oil stains. And not long after, cast an evil spell on the young princes.
And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. I thought you would see me crying. Would you? No.
I love how I said I was doing a quick tidy up, and I ended up doing like a semi-dip clean. What you doing?
Yellow, green, and blue.
Are you? What are you doing?
Okay, so these are the tie-dye eggs.
Yeah, that's the ones that you wanted to do.
Oh, so they're little holes?
Yes.
That's cool.
I'ma need an upgrade. I thought you would see me crying. Would you? No. I want
Blue.
my worth. I think I saw you with another.
Yeah, squeeze.
Squeeze.
Your hand slip
You got it?
Yeah, squeeze it. Try it again.
Good job. Is he doing
Yay.
it? Yay!
be around her. Now I've come to terms over you. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do.
Oh, it's safe. That was a close one, huh?
Yeah.
Pink.
Pink.
Okay, ready for the coolness?
Yeah.
Never seen an egg like this before. Are we ready? You ready to see your egg? Whoa, look at that side. I don't know how some moms do it. At the end of the day, they look like super pretty and put together, and I always end up looking like this. But I was able to check off everything off my to-do list today, so I'm so excited. I was like super productive. I got my workout thing to close on my watch, so I actually burned over 400 calories today. Probably more though, but it's 400 calories from activity. I think it said like a total of 1,000 calories just because our body naturally burns calories. I was helping the kids and I actually have no idea what I was saying. Clearly I'm tired, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. My oven ended up turning off. I think that's what I was gonna tell you guys. So I just put the chicken back in there for like another 10 minutes. I don't know why my oven does that every once in a while. It just like shuts off automatically. So I just needed to let the chicken finish cooking because that is definitely something you do not want to eat raw or like a little pink. It's not beef. Like, you need to cook your chicken all the way through. Oh my god, guys, on that note, I will see you in the next video.